Welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're talking about how to view the license administration page. The Reprise License Manager uses a web-based license administration page. This means in order to access it, you're going to need a web browser. I've opened up my web browser here and I'm going to navigate to http://localhost:5054. When I do, you see the Reprise License Server Administration page pop up. Even though this is in a web browser, this is not actually on the internet. And you can see a panel of useful buttons over here on the left. We're going to cover a few of those. To start, we'll look at the status button. It's here that we can see whether the PointWise vendor, or as RLM calls them, an ISV, is actually running. The PointWise ISV is called PWID, and you can see it's running here on port 49669. Running is yes, and then there's a number of other columns with buttons if we wanted to check anything. Next up, we have the shutdown button. We'll rarely use that, so I'm just going to bounce right past it and look at the Reread Restart Server button. This button comes in handy if you ever need to reread or restart your server, especially if you have a new license. For this, we'll just click the Reread Restart button, wait a couple seconds, and then we'll receive a notification that the reread command was sent to all servers. The next button we're going to look at is the Edit License File button. This is handy in case you've got a new license file and you want to make sure that the new one is being read rather than the old one. It's also useful to check the version, which is right there. On occasion, if you're having issues getting PointWise up and running, we may ask for a diagnostics file. The diagnostics is printed out in a .txt file, and you can run the diagnostics here using the diagnostics button. The last button I'm going to mention is the system info. This is especially useful if you want a license file rather than an activation key. On the system info, you can see that the name of my computer is up here at the top. It's Fortress. And there are a number of Ethernet addresses. Any one of these would work for a host ID. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.